Janome.
Welcome to the unboxing of the Janome Skyline S3 Anniversary Edition. Today, I will show you everything that comes in this box and go over a few key features that makes this a standout machine. Janome is celebrating the 10-year anniversary of the Skyline series with this sleek redesign of this beloved sewing and quilting machine. Now let's take a closer look at everything that comes with the Skyline S3 Anniversary Edition. The first thing out of the box is the printed instruction book. This instruction book is full of information on how to use your new machine, how to achieve special techniques, and even has information about your machine's warranty. Also inside the instruction book is a QR code that will take you to a playlist of instructional videos that will teach you how to use your new machine. Next, you have the foot control and separate power cord I already have on the machine here. You have the semi-hard fabric cover, perfect for keeping your machine free from dust when you're not using it, and this extra wide extension table, which is great for sewing and quilting larger projects. Now let's take a closer look at all of the accessories that come with the Skyline S3 Anniversary Edition. This is your 7mm zigzag needle plate that's on your machine when you take it out of the box. This needle plate has a 7mm wide needle drop opening for the decorative stitches and alphabets that are on the machine. It also has markings here for various seam allowances, and angled markings here for piecing and other sewing techniques. Next, you have the zigzag foot A. This is already on the machine when you take it out of the box. This foot is for general sewing and for sewing decorative stitches with the wide 7mm opening. This is the satin stitch foot F. This foot is clear for total visibility and has a mark here in the center, so you will always be able to line up your applique or whatever you're sewing with the center needle position. This is the blind hem foot G. Use this foot to create beautiful blind hems, or you can also use it for precise top stitching by utilizing the black guide that's on the foot. Next, you have the zipper foot E. This foot can be set to sew on each side of the zipper by adjusting the position of the foot to the right or to the left. This foot is also great for sewing close to piping. This is the 1/4 inch foot O with the guide. Use this to achieve perfect 1/4 inch seam allowances by lining up the edge of your fabric with the side of the guide. This is the over edge foot C. This is used with the over edge stitch. This is great for finishing the edges of your fabric if you don't have a serger. This is the automatic buttonhole foot R. You can choose from 7 different one-step buttonholes. Simply put your button in the back of the foot, which will automatically size the buttonhole for you. You also get 4 clear bobbins to get started. You can store these in the accessory tray of the machine for easy access. You also get a needle set that comes with an assortment of needles, including a twin needle. This is your lint brush. Use this to clean under the needle plate and bobbin case. You also get a seam ripper to unpick stitches or to open buttonholes. A screwdriver to change your needles, remove your needle plate, and some presser feet. An extra spool pin that you can attach to your machine for twin needle sewing or leave a spool on for bobbin winding. You get 2 large spool holders. One is already on the machine when you take it out of the box. 2 small spool holders and 2 special spool holders. These attach to the end of your horizontal spool pin when your thread spools are just a little too big to fit on the horizontal spool pin. This helps make them fit better. And with this Anniversary Edition machine, there's a special commemorative 10-year anniversary case with 25 blue bobbins and a microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get this petite sewing kit complete with clips, scissors, and this pin cushion that attaches to the top of your machine with a few pins. Now let's take a closer look at the machine. You'll notice this sleek redesigned body style with beautiful midnight blue accents, an LCD screen, and a touch panel. This is a 7mm machine, which means it can stitch up to 7mm wide. This machine is packed with 120 built-in stitches, 10 one-step buttonholes, and an alphabet, which is perfect for personalizing any project. This machine has 8¼ inches of throat space, which is perfect for larger quilts or larger projects. Now let's take a closer look at the LCD screen and touch panel. You can quickly select from a few stitches along the bottom, or simply enter in the stitch number based on the stitch chart. At the top here, you can adjust the needle position and also the stitch length. On the front of the machine, you will find all of the convenient machine operating buttons. You have the Start-Stop button, which allows you to sew without the foot control, the Reverse button, hold this down to easily sew in reverse, the Auto Lock button, which automatically ties off your thread tails, the Needle Up-Down button to easily raise or lower your needle, and the Thread Cutter button, which cuts your thread tails to a nice short length. You also have the Speed Control slider. You can easily adjust this to limit the maximum sewing speed according to your needs. This machine comes with an easy set top-loading bobbin, which makes threading your machine a breeze. You also have this accessory tray, which is perfect for storing your favorite presser feet and accessories. From here, you can remove the extension table to reveal the free arm. The free arm is perfect for sewing closed circles like bags or sleeve cuffs. From here, you can attach the extra wide extension table for an even larger workspace. To learn more about the Skyline S3 Anniversary Edition, visit your local authorized Janome dealer for a test drive and to learn about current promotions. Happy sewing!